when is the right time to start to make a change in your life? And that right time is today. The reason why I'm sharing this story is because I know that there were some of you who saw me and my daughters when we first started our fitness journey in 2017. The list of excuses can be really long, and we can easily make excuses. Like I can make excuses if I want to. But see, we can also make a commitment if we want to. So it's a matter of how our brain works. It's really a mindset, because you want to be ready to be healthy. I remember when we started, we're doing this is how we're going to eat. We're going to change your lifestyle, change your eating lifestyle. And then slowly I would post pictures, and I'm just so happy because so many were encouraging us. The rewards of being healthy are immense, if not countless. Number one is I am more confident in my own skin. I've developed self-esteem and self-confidence like I've never dreamed before, because you're getting older, I'm getting older, and gravity is very strong now. So the wrinkles and drop chin and everything, whatever it is that you have there. But see, I am confident, and it doesn't matter. I'm going to age gracefully, but I'm happy because I am healthy. Right now, what matters to me is that I don't take any medications. I used to take anti-hypertensive and anti-cholesterol medications. Since we started eating healthy, my doctor has been watching that. In 2015, I was still overweight, but we were finally starting to eat healthy right after that. My doctor would always ask me whenever I would visit her, are you exercising? Right now, she doesn't even have to ask, because she knows what I'm doing, because we're friends on social media. Can you believe that? We women should get inspiration from the good things that we see. We never should compare ourselves with other people. But if we ever do, it is because we want to be empowered by them. It is because we want to follow their footsteps so that we can also upgrade ourselves. But if we're going to look at them and feel miserable about ourselves, if we look at them and say like, oh my gosh, I'm here, I'm not even improving, then that's not the way to go. We want to be positive. As Oprah says, you can only stay in a negative zone for 17 seconds. 17 seconds. So when you're feeling down, when you're feeling miserable, when you're feeling like you don't want to do things, you're so down and demotivated, start counting. 1001, 1002. 17 seconds. And people say you don't want to be around negative people. That is correct, because we all have our problems, we all have our issues. We have to take care of our own selves, right? So that's the reason why I'm sharing this episode, because if I did it, then you can do it too. If you weren't able to join me in my fitness journey that I started in 2017, that is okay. Come join me again, because together we can do it. Sometimes it's not easy exercising alone. Who wants to dance alone, right? And that's why I have my videos, so that you have company. The goal is to be able to exercise, to sweat. It can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or an hour. It doesn't matter. But you need to make time for it, because you gotta teach your body to get used to it. Otherwise, we fall off the wagon. It's getting that mind to remind you, to tell you that, hey, you're gonna feel good after. Maybe you don't like the process, but we love results. You may not like this that you're doing, but you want the rewards, you want the benefit. This was the life I had since 2017. I eat a lot, I devour my food, I have a plate full of food, but they are now healthy food. I'm 4 years older from when I started, but we can do it. We can do it. If you like this video, this episode, please give it a like. Please comment. I love seeing comments. I don't receive many comments because my channel is very new. So yes, we can feel healthy and we can be healthy. That doesn't mean that just because we're older, we cannot aim for a change in our life, because we can. It's mindset. Let's start with our mindset. And if you like my channel, click like and subscribe. And I hope to see you soon. Love and light.